It's time to dump your paper business cards and switch to a smart NFC business card where just a tap or scan lets you instantly share your contact details, social links, and brand documents like PDFs and brochures. And that's not all. While sharing, you can also collect your receiver's details instantly with the Exchange Contact feature, making networking truly two-way and effortless. Plus, with the Tap On app, you can update or edit your details anytime. No reprints, no hassle, just real-time updates and an easy way to manage all your leads in one place.